Hello everyone, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in Midjourney and I'm going to show you a very cool new technique. Look at this image here. And you'll see a ship kind of going through a channel there, but if you look carefully, you might see some Jack Sparrow in here. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Here's an example. Here is an image that I stopped at 20% blur, so I just get it to 20%, and then I did a change up, and look at that, it became this. And here's another example. Here's another scary guy, Jason from Friday the 13th. Here's an image. I stopped the image at 30% rendering, and then I turned it into this without touching Photoshop. So this can all be done inside Midjourney. It occasionally takes a few rolls. Let me show you how to do it. All right, so following along with me, what you want to do is you want to get an image. So you go /imagine. Now pick your character or your subject. I'm going to go with Captain Jack Sparrow. Why not? Everyone knows who that is. And then this is the important part. I hit spacebar and then it's -- stop 20. What this means is we're going to stop it rendering at 20%. I'm going to do another version, /imagine Captain Jack Sparrow, sorry, -- stop 25. Now, this basically means that we're going to get 25% of the way through the image, and then it's going to stop, and we're going to get this awkward, blurry look, but that is in fact what we're going for. And if we look at this one here, this top one here, this top left one, looks like we can work with that one. I'm going to let the second version render out. While I do that, please note that it generally works well between 20 to 30%. Over 30%, it gets a little iffy, but you can already see that the bottom ones are looking good here too. So actually, I think they're done, so I don't even have to break here. So let's take a look here. What do we got? We got the top one. That's very blurry, but it works. And then the second batch here, the top one also works pretty good. Let's go with this top one here. So I'm going to press U1, so I'm going to upscale it. And now it's going to just take 1 second to upscale because it's done very quick. And we've got this blurry outline of Captain Jack Sparrow that you can just barely make out. The next step, and this is an important one, is you want to click on Very Subtle. So I'm going to click on Very Subtle. And then watch this. I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this. Everything except the -- AR-16:9. AR-16:9 is not a requirement. I just want this in aspect ratio 16:9. And instead of putting in Captain Jack Sparrow, I'm going to put Island, let's go with a Pirate Island Tortuga. So I think that was the name of the island in the movie. So yeah, he's a Pirate Island Tortuga. This can be as advanced or as much as you want to put in that, but I'm going to let this run. We're going to get an example, and then I'm going to show you what we got. All right, so it's done rendering, and if I click on here, let's see what we got. Okay, this isn't too bad, but it's not as good as my original one, which was this one up here that I'll show you again. This one is absolutely brilliant. But again, you can run this multiple times until you get the look and the feel that you're going for. But that is the entire process, step by step. Thanks for watching.